Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram zoom camera not working. First of all, open your Instagram app, wait some second, click on your story icon and from here click on camera. If you want to zoom camera but not working, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your app store and play store, and from here search for this Instagram app, click on Instagram app, and from here what you need to do it, update your Instagram app. I am already updated. After update your Instagram app, check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your phone setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi together, leave the 30 second you have turn it on, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back, scroll down, and if you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode, at least the 30 second you have turn it off, and after that go back, scroll down and click on apps management and click on app setting, and from here search for this Instagram app, scroll down, search for Instagram app, click on Instagram app, and from here what you need to do it, click on permission and allow all permissions like calendar, click on allow, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and click on storage and cache and click on clear storage and clear cache, and after a few minutes you have again installed, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.